Hello everyone, welcome back. Next topic in regular expressions, match non-white space characters. You learned about searching for white spaces using backslash lowercase s. You can also search for everything except white space. Search for non-white space using backslash capital S or uppercase S. This pattern will not match white space, carriage return, tab, form feed, and new line characters. You can think of it being similar to the character class where we use the caret symbol in front to search for everything except those which is denoted by these symbols. Here is an example. Same example as before, just instead of lowercase s, we have uppercase s, and in this case, only non-white space characters will be matched. When we perform the match method on the white space variable and pass the non-space regex, and then use the length there. So task for this challenge, change the regex count non-white space to look for multiple non-white space character in the string. So in this case, just we have to change backslash s and g for repeated search. Run the test and it's successful. Download my solution, and thanks everyone for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.